If tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, find the value of secant alpha. We know that 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to secant square alpha. Rearranging terms, secant square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha. Secant square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, that is 5 by 12 whole square. Secant square alpha is equal to 1 plus 5 by 12 whole square, that is 25 by 144. Secant square alpha is equal to LCM 144. 144 into 1, 144 plus 25 divided by 144. Secant square alpha is equal to 144 plus 25, 169 divided by 144. Therefore, secant alpha is equal to root of 169 divided by 144. Secant alpha is equal to root of 169, 13 divided by root of 144, 12. Secant alpha is equal to 13 by 12. If cosecant theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to lambda, then find the value of lambda. Given lambda is equal to cosecant square theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant square theta into here 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to cos theta. Cosecant square theta into 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to cosecant square theta into sin square theta is equal to 1 by cosecant square theta. These two gets cancelled, is equal to 1. So therefore, lambda is equal to 1.